Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present about element of GMP, which is packaging. First of all, my name is Muhammad Irfan bin myself, and my group member is Nurjana binti Muhammad Syukur, Nur Shazrina Ezwin binti Saiful Bazli, Siti Najah binti Ma'ye, and Sufia Mushidah binti Abdul Rahim. Okay, for the introduction, packaging is one of the most crucial operation in food industry. Basically, GMP program is a practice to ensure that products are manufactured in meeting certain quality and safety requirement. This is to address the safety of food contact material and product by implementing reasonable control process and establishing appropriate quality system. The GMP program ensure that food content ingredient and product comply with applicable regulation and have the appropriate authenticity for their intended use. Packaging is one of the important elements in this program. Include all the material of any kind used to protect, manage, deliver, and present product. From raw material to finished product, from the producer to user or the end consumer, not only during transportation and from physical damage, but also from microbial and bacterial contamination, as well as climatic hazard. At the same time, as minimizing their operational costs and giving the market upper environment image with high sense of responsibility. Packaging means protection of something. This aims to maintain the quality of the product established as well as implemented. If material of all kind pass through container designed to isolate the content to a certain extent, none from external influence. In general, most packaging material supplier maintain ISO 9001 KMS. Okay, next.
Okay, there are three types of packaging which are primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, for the first is primary. Primary is a packaging format in direct contact with the food. The main purpose of primary packaging is to contain, protect, or preserve the finished product, particularly against contamination. This is the first layer containing the finished product, such as plastic pouch holding whole grain cereal or the cardboard box containing the pouch of cereal. This type of packaging is often intended for the end user or consumer. In addition to making it easier for consumers to handle products, it makes the products look more appealing and can be used for communication purposes to convey printed information about the products to consumers. And the second type of packaging is secondary. The layer after primary packaging in indirect contact with the food but may still have product safety impact. This type of packaging also provides supplementary protection to help maintain the integrity of the primary packaging. In addition, it can serve as a shipping container for small shipment, making it highly useful in e-commerce. Secondary packaging is frequently made up of multiple components such as box, padding, separators, reinforcement, bag, paper, and also the others. The last thing is for tertiary. It is used to group secondary packaging together to aid handling and transportation and prevent damage to the products. During this stage, products are handled as distribution units. This type of packaging makes it easier to transport large or heavy loads safely and securely. In addition, it is also to helping prevent damage. It consequently facilitates the handling, storage, and transport of goods. And the example of tertiary packaging is a stretch wrapped pallet containing a quantity of cardboard box, which is the secondary packaging to enable efficient product shipping. So this is the example of each packaging type. For the first is primary, and the second image is for secondary, cardboard box, and the lastly is tertiary.
There are many functions of packaging. Among of us are, for the first is physical protection. It helps to protect a product from damage during transportation and handling, especially with the globalization and import or export of goods across countries. For the second is branding and marketing. It helps to provide a layout for design, labeling, and printed information. Packaging plays an equally important role, if not more than the actual product quality. For the third is convenient. For example, chef ready and portion control, microwavable packaging, and ovenable packaging. Busy lifestyle mean less time spent on preparing meals, and convenience packaging can be a market share. And last but not least is containment. It helps to keep the product together and avoiding spillage and shelf presentation. A lot of effort and research is focused onto designing packs for containment of product for transport efficiency, product safety, storage efficiency, and shelf space. Next.
Okay, next is characteristic of a good packaging. Packaging is the process of providing a protective and informative covering to the product in way that they protect the product during material handling, storage, and movement. Packaging is more than just your product pretty face. Your package design may affect everything from breakage rates in shipment to whether store will be willing to stock it. A good packaging generally has the following features. First, security. Packaging packaging to be a good must be done that absolute security for the protection of the product is assured. 2. Adaptability. Packaging is said to be a good where it does not present any difficulty for keeping in it the refrigerated. This adaptability of packaging is definitely one of its characteristics. 3. Dependability. A good packaging should have such as characteristic that it creates confidence in the minds of the buyers that the content must be of standard quality. And the last but not least is status. A good packaging definitely to the person who carries product well packaged. This is an additional characteristic that a good packaging should be after for better packaging. Okay, next.
Okay, advantage of packaging. First, packaging in a good manner help transportation of the packaged good with much easy and facility. Second, packaging protect the product against outside element which may cause damage to the product. Next, packaging may be useful in the reuse for keeping other material. Okay, last, packaging reduce marketing cost, handling losses are much less in a good packaging. So the cost of marketing is likely to be less. Okay, next. Okay, summary of GMP packaging. Food packaging can retard product deterioration, retain the beneficial effect of processing, extend shelf life, and maintain or increase the quality and safety of food. Okay, in doing so, packaging provide protection from three major classes of extension: external influence, which is chemical, biological, and physical. Okay, that's all from us. Okay, thank you.